look at the end of March, we're obviously 9 months into the financial year. At that point, in terms of membership, our net membership growth has been 45 stores, which is about 8.5%. In this market, we're pretty pleased with that. And in terms of the dollars being transacted through the business, if you look at the calendar year 2012, we were pretty much even Steven with the previous year 2011. And again, in the current market, and having regard to the fact that a lot of our business is exposed to the trade area, we're not uncomfortable with that. We think we're going okay. The economy is a bit of a hard one because there seems a complete dichotomy, a complete inconsistency between the sort of numbers that the politicians and the banks and the government publishes, saying everything's going terrific, unemployment's fine, the economy's growing and everything's wonderful, and yet the part of the economy that we live in, which is, I guess, an intersect between construction and retail, it's pretty damn tough out there. So overall, I'm not sure, but I think the economy that we live and work in, yeah, it's hard work. In terms of our members going forward, look, there's been a few glimmers of hope. I've been around a fair bit of the country over the last month or so. They're not seeing a lift yet, but our trade-based members are saying to me that some of their customers are showing a forward order book that hasn't been there before. It's still very inconsistent. I'm hopeful that if we can remove some of the uncertainties out there, and there seem a few of them, that things will pick up as we get towards the latter part of the year.
It's been a really fantastic 12 months for Hames Paint. Very tough market conditions, but we've certainly grown. We're only available through independents. We don't sell to the big corporate hardwares. So I guess this is a real reward for all of our team and certainly the HBT members that have got on board and supported us over that time. It's just thrilling for the next couple of years because we're certainly seeing good growth in the independent sector. Lots of people are wanting to support the independent sector, both trade and retail, so we have a very, very positive outlook. Family businesses dealing and working together is just the way of the future.
2012 for Tilling has been a successful year for us. We've seen growth in certain markets, in particular in the independent market, which is where HBT is for us. So the growth category for us has been, well, I suppose recognition of hard work, working with those independents throughout all of the markets throughout Australia. Tilling is incredibly proud to receive this award. It's recognition that the independents are strong and working successfully in the Australian timber and hardware market. And it's good to see that the independents are giving the big boys a run for their money.
The last 12-month business has been quite exciting at Romac Hardware. We've developed a new range of products which the HBT group have quite eagerly accepted, and we have them here at the trade show today. Also at Romac, we've moved into new premises in the last 12 months, which is enabling us to increase our range of products and to provide a better service to the group. As for the HBT group, we're always constantly out there servicing them and helping to grow with them. So it's been fantastic.
Look, as I said, it's a real privilege to win this award. Grand Champion of Timber is something that we really pride ourselves on. And I'd like to thank our reps for that. They're out there every day of the week, and it's a tribute to the smaller independent hardware store. People believe that it's difficult for them, and I understand it is, but we do everything we possibly can to support HBT and the small independent hardware, family hardware stores. And they're out there every day of the week doing what they can to make these businesses a success, and it's a credit to all of them for what they do.
HBT has been an inaugural part in our business and our business success for the last 12 months. Without them, we wouldn't be enjoying the growth that we are. Our access to the amount of suppliers that we have with HBT and the support that those suppliers give us through the group simply makes it possible to be done. To win an award like this is a bit mind-blowing. We had no idea that we were anywhere near to be the store of the year, so it's just a fantastic reward, and it inspires us to continue on.
Our relationship with HBT has been really, really good. We've grown over the last 18 months to 2 years. The business has been really good to us. And overall, we see a huge growth in that business over the next 18 months and 2 years again. We have a number of members which are visiting us and calling us consistently, and with our growing range of product, we know we'll fit with them and show great results for the future.
Yes, it's certainly an honour to be part of the HBT supplier arrangement. Our history of the two companies go back to 1998, the inception of the HBT group, and as an independent, privately owned Australian company, we find that working with the HBT members and also the executive, it's such an important, integral part of our the Maxim business. And for the last 12 months, obviously, it's been a very challenging time in the world of hardware, retail hardware, and we've had to really work a lot harder and support the members, the HBT group, to support them with marketing. We find that obviously we have to lift our level of service, promotion within the group, and we'll continue to really, the next 12 months, to really focus on marketing our products through the HBT members.
The Everhard relationship with HBT is continually growing. There's new members jumping on board. Traditionally, some of the HBT members are timber focused, but they're looking to diversify, which suits our business. We can accompany them, in their growth. We can provide packages for inside and outside the house. We're becoming more user-friendly over, the next 12 months, providing retail packs for the members so that they can display them easily and, just, as I said, become user-friendly so that everybody can work together and for the benefit of their customer and make it easier for their customer to purchase product.
Trio has a very strong relationship with HBT. Trio is a family-owned company, and like the HBT, it's very interested in keeping independent hardware stores in business and profitable. So all the products that we sell to the HBT members is all about trying to keep the money that they make in Australia, and the same with Trio. We've got quite a few innovative products coming up, starting with our solar digits. We're the only company that we're aware of that's doing solar digits in Australia. And so far in today's show, we've probably sold 4 or 5 packages I should say, and we're very confident that that will continue for the rest of the show. And most of the stores that we've seen from the HBT members, we're going to go out and have a look at their stores and see what we can do to try and make them look better from a retail perspective and more interesting to the consumers and to the tradespeople that are coming into the stores, because it's very, very important that the stock that they purchase from TO and other people is that stock turns, and a lot of that's got to do with presentation in store, and we believe we can help them do that.
Carter's relationship with HBT is a relationship that's growing in strength. We're here for the long term to support the HBT members. We cover Australia nationally with our sales force. We've got a wide range of new and existing pressure washers, accessories of both electric and petrol. We also have a range of homeline products which we're hoping that the HBT members see as an opportunity to grow their business. Where we're heading in the future, obviously we want to spend more time with HBT people and help them grow their business and help us grow our business. We're very happy to be here at this show, and we thank all the people that have come along today.
Okay, HBT, we've been with HBT for a good 10 years and there's been positive reaction there. We fully support the independent retailers, so that is one area which we definitely push with HBT. We've expanded nationally within the last 18 months, going out of New South Wales and Queensland, and we've now got warehouses in Melbourne and also down in Perth and Adelaide. So definitely we've got coverage, looking after the HBT members and other independents. For 2013-2014, we are expanding our garden range, which is going to be a totally new range introduced. And it's very exciting, and again we are aiming for competitive prices to make sure the independents survive.
Champion is certainly growing with HBT. We enjoy dealing with the stores, but we're learning a lot from them as well as they're learning a lot from us. The automotive, we've predominantly always been automotive and industrial, so hardware's a new growth area for us, and with the support of HBT it's going leaps and bounds. We're doing a lot of automotive high tensile thing product, which we haven't done before, into the stores because it's a new area for the stores. And we're also selling a lot of air fittings, which everyone makes good money in. So,
our relationship with HBT has been a long one, a number of years now. We are one of the supporters of independence and the future of the company is just to improve their relationship and strengthen their relationship as well.
So basically what HBT in our relationship with Advancer at the moment, it is fantastic. We're actually trying to really maintain a good relationship with our members for us to be able to go forward in the future for many years to come, for us to be able to provide the best service and the best products of Tough and Advancer. So we're really looking forward to seeing what's coming, and eventually throughout the year we'll figure it out. Thank you.
We've got the issues of ongoing competition, which are getting fiercer and fiercer in our industry, as everyone knows. We've got a lack of consumer confidence, we've got over-regulation, we've got issues built around the whole problem of passing the business on to the next generation. They're common to a lot of businesses, and to be honest, there's not a great deal we can do about it. But the issue that is critical to our membership is that they've got to be competitive out there. They've got to be able to sell good brands, good products, and they've got to be able to buy them at an effective price so that they can help their customers achieve what they want to achieve. I think HBT is pretty good at doing that, and that's what we're going to keep doing.